Mohamed Salah rose from humble beginnings in Egypt to become a transformative force in modern football, dazzling fans worldwide. His blistering pace, lethal left foot, and clutch finishing propelled Liverpool to Premier League glory and historic European triumphs. Beyond goals, his leadership reshaped how wingers contribute, inspiring teammates with relentless work rate and tactical intelligence. This biography traces milestones from debut breakthroughs to record-breaking seasons, pivotal assists, and the evolution of his iconic role. Which Salah moment defines his legacy for you, and what lesson does it teach young players today?